Hi, class and professor. My name is Pamela Pierce, and I'm videoing from here in Florida. Um, as far as my experiences working in the social work field, my first experience was while stationed overseas with my family in Italy. I was the leader to a group that was created to help women and families that were grieving the loss of a pregnancy through miscarriage or even an infant loss through neonatal or infant loss. Um, Throughout this time of over a 4-year period, we had many people that came through the doors in all different stages of grieving. Some that hadn't even begun to grieve, and some that were stuck in the process. And so it was it was a wonderful experience to help see some of these women. And we did have a core group that came religiously until we all had to move away, unfortunately, as is with military life. But that began my journey down the social work road. And other experience was with our field placement for our foundation year. I worked with the continuum of care here in Boise, Idaho, and again in Florida after I had to transfer mid-semester after relocating with my family. It was a wonderful experience. I was the case manager on average to 5 to 7 homeless families. And during this time when I was working with them, I would have to stabilize them, help them acquire documents, complete housing searches, and sometimes even help them just seek out resources such as medical care, dental care, mental health care. Excuse me. And so it was a very rewarding experience, and I really enjoyed it because it gave me a lot of exposure all the way from working with clients all the way up to being able to attend national legislation meetings, which was phenomenal, and I really enjoyed it. As far as goals, I definitely want to sharpen my skills and always expand my knowledge in the social work field and on the different theories of things that I can apply with my clients. My biggest challenge will probably be time management. I have 5 children, and so I'm pulled in many different directions, as well as being a wife and a student. And so I'm a busy mom, a busy wife all the time. But I do place school as a very high priority, and so I strive to do my best. So I wish everybody the best, and I look forward to working with everyone. So thanks, and have a blessed day.